Educational system in Uzbekistan. After the independence of the Republic of Uzbekistan, the Cabinet of Ministers decreed the creation of special government committee with purpose of reforming the educational system to introduce radical changes in the process of specialist preparation. The corresponding ministers and departments, scientists and specialists have carried out significant work. As a result, the National Program for the Preparation of Specialists and the new Law of Education were formed. The continuous education system forms the general link of the Republic education in providing the continuous education with the state educational standards, the appropriate curriculum, and attention must be paid correspondence with the world standards and be created on the basis of the high spirituality. That's why it makes sense to create comprehensive programs such as preschool, primary, and extracurricular education. First, preschool education includes children from 3 to 6, 7 years of the age. It's held in the family, kindergarten, and other educational institutions. Second, primary education includes from 1 to 4 grades and begin from 6, 7 years of age. Third, general secondary education. Pupils are educated from 4th, 5th, and 9th, and attention must be paid to the fact that the comprehensive skill is compulsory for everybody. We must teach the basis of general knowledge and create the formation and broadening of children's world outlook. First, trade and vocational education, academic license, colleges, and vocational secondary schools education lasts for 3 years. Fifth, higher education. As a rule, it begins from 1819 and lasts at least 4 years. Higher education is divided into two stages: bachelor, baccalaureate, and magister. Bachelor degree is the first higher education stage. Education for a bachelor's degree lasts at least 4 years and finishes with getting diploma and acquiring profession. Magister's is a higher education it creates profession which has 2 years on the basis of baccalaureate. The qualifying certification depending as a thesis in the final stage of education. At the same time, we must introduce one more stage, completing the official indissoluble education system. His stage is divided into postgraduate studies and doctorate. Postgraduate studies, the education lasts 3 years on the basis of magistracy. The goal of postgraduate studies is the formation of highly qualified scientific pedagogical personnel. Postgraduate study is finished after academic and qualifying examination and defending a thesis. According to the results, the scientific degree doctor is awarded. Doctorate lasts 3 years on the basis of scientific degree and is completed with the defending thesis. In other words, it is sphere, former, order, and pursuit. Besides that, we should pay attention to an additional professional education in the new system. The issues of retraining and upgrading qualification.